Hello, here we are again. You can see the camera in the background. Here we have a filter queen. For 300 thereabout, you can have her. 300, 350 thereabout, you can have her. We're gonna test it. We got a mess. Write that in. We got a big mess to test her. Got a power head, dusting brush, combo tool, crevice tool, flow tool, a wand, a brand new 2-speed motor. Brand new. 2-speed. Filter queen. Majestic. Let's put on high and see what she does. Look at that, all gone. You do a floor. And we're done. I think that plug's got something bad with it. It just off on me. That wasn't me, that was the plug. We're back in business. Now that box will be for sale soon. Look at that dude, all gone. And that's on high speed. Isn't it quiet? The Filter Queen Majestic. You just seen me use it live. There's all the tools. There's the wand, flow tool, and the hose. Let's look inside. 1, 2. Here's your filter cone. There's your dead. Look at all we picked up. I've been using it. Picks up good. Make me an offer. Filter Queen.